The new Golf R is based on the 8th generation of the Golf, which received a major update this year. The dynamism is reflected in the redesigned front with its LED plus headlights, an illuminated VW badge and air curtains in the bumper, as well as the new LED tail light clusters. The R model has an impressive output of 333 horsepower, which the powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine transmits to a 7-speed DSG and the 4-motion all-wheel drive with a performance torque vectoring. The torque of the new models is 420 Nm. The top speed of 250 km per hour can be boosted by another 20 km per hour to 270 with the optional R Performance package. The Golf R variant provides a particularly high degree of flexibility, with a maximum luggage compartment volume of 1,642 liters, with folded rear seat backrests.